And today's my first seminar, so you please understand me. And my first seminar is a life process in living organism part 1. My first topic is the mitosis. Somatic cell and stem cell divided by a mitosis. Mitosis is completed through two main steps. Thus two steps are karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is completed through four main steps. Thus four steps are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and last is telophase. The prophase condition of basically the third-like chromosome start. Due to this, they become short, and the third-like start to appear along with their pairs of sister chromates. Prophase start. The nuclear membrane form around a set of a chromosome. The nuclear membrane completely disappears in a metaphase. In anaphase,
this actual metaphase chromosome
complete their condition and become clearly visible along with their pairs of sister chromates. Anaphase. In anaphase, chromosome start appear along with their pairs of sister chromates. In anaphase, nuclear membrane completely disappears in anaphase. Telophase. In a chromosome which have reached at opposite poles of the cell which have reached at opposite poles of the cell. The two cells are formed in a cell to decondense, due to which become third-like thin and invisible nuclear membrane form around each set of a chromosome. Each set of a chromosome reached at poles of thus two daughter nuclei are formed in a cell. In this way, karyokinesis is completed and cytokinesis begins. The cytoplasm divided by a cytokinesis and two new cells are formed, which are called as a daughter cell. In this process, a notch is a formed at equatorial plane of the cell. Now start in this process are formed. However, in case of a plant cell, instead of a notch, cell plant form exactly along midline of the cell, and the cytokinesis is completed. Thank you. My seminar is